What's the meaning of adaptation? Adaptation. 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 Adaptation refers to the process of adjusting to new circumstances or changes in one's environment. It can be a physical, mental, or behavioral change that allows an organism or entity to better survive and thrive in its surroundings. Adaptation can result in increased efficiency, resilience, and effectiveness in achieving goals. In the context of ecology, adaptation can enable a species to successfully inhabit a particular ecosystem by developing specialized traits and behaviors that allow it to compete for resources and avoid predators. Overall, adaptation allows individuals and populations to overcome challenges and improve their chances of survival and success.